welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha with Planning with the Prince Pack, and I am here to plan for the week of January 14th through January 20th, which is my dad's 50th birthday week. And I am using this very cute kit from Bella Rose Designs. It is a printable kit, and I actually printed this a long time ago. I printed it back when I was still printing and cutting with my Cricut. So I was really worried that I wasn't going to use this kit, only because it was kind of like my old, no, I can't say format, just the old cutting way. And so I wasn't sure if it was going to be super accurate, but it ended up being perfect because if I were to choose 4 colors that represent my dad perfectly, it would be gray, cream, white, and black. So if I this kit is perfect for him. So and his birthday was on Thursday the 17th, and then we had a big celebration bash at his house on the 19th with just a little family drama. But what is a family party and a birthday without some drama? So I did use a great deal of this kit. I used all of the full boxes. I used the washi. So I started by whiting out the bottom and putting down the full, the larger washi. It's not super large, but it is larger. And then I ended up pulling in glitter washi from Recollections that I got from Michael's. I put the black just above it, and you do see me in just a little bit pull in the thin washi. I really like this glitter washi, and I use it in a couple places, both in the bottom, in my sidebar, and then also in my weekend banner. The only problem with this washi is the fact that it comes with a backing, like a sticker backing that you have to pull off. It's not hard to pull off, but I think it's trying to prevent any glitter from being pulled off, which I'm fine with. It's not a big deal. It's kind of like having it on a hollow. You don't want any of that glitter to come off. So it actually helped someone like me make sure that my lines were more accurate. So yeah, and see right here, you can see that I'm putting down the thinner washi. I put it the funny thing is that both pieces are the long pieces. So I just put a little bit in the sidebar, just trying to keep it consistent. Some of my lines aren't super great now that I'm looking at this, but I really end up liking the end result of this kit. So I did end up using the date covers as well. I don't put the date dots until later, but can't win them all. I'm a little hoppy on this kit, so sorry. You just saw my phone there. I don't remember what I was doing at the time of this, because I recorded this, I think I recorded it the week, I must have recorded it just a couple days after my dad's birthday, but I'm recording this on in the first week of February, and so yes, I'm bad. I need to not do that, because then my memory is not as fresh, but I thought that this was a perfect time to do it because Layla is down for a nap, and I had a snow day today, which has not happened in my 6 years of teaching, and I haven't had a snow day as a student since I was in, I want to say, first grade. So even my boss sent an email. It was there's very few things that you see in your career in Utah, and one of them is a snow day, because usually we are totally capable of handling ourselves on a snow day. It's just whether buses can handle themselves. So yeah, we had a snow day. Unfortunate thing is that we have to make it up on President's Day, but I was told that very few students end up coming on days like that, so, which I don't blame them. If my mom would have had a choice, she probably would have kept us home as well, because it's President's Day. So I start by putting down all of the headers, and I end up doing an every other thing, where Monday has 2 of the photo headers, then Tuesday has 1, Wednesday has 2, and so on. So I tried to alternate that. I tried to alternate colors. I even alternated pictures. So the scene pictures are on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The like sweater pictures are on Tuesday and Saturday, and then the animal picture I put on Thursday because I feel like that represented my dad so much, like, you know, this wolf, this lone wolf in the winter. So I do put down in my sidebar some glitter, some of the glitter washi, and you can't really see the white in between those two habit trackers, but it is there. You'll see me pull it in again when I do my weekend banner, right? I think in just about a minute. So, there are two things that I tracked this week, my medication and my Weight Watchers, and I actually did pretty good with it. I track my medication and I do well with it every single day. There are very few days that I forget to take my medication. It's just kind of like, do not leave without medication. Sometimes I leave without my wedding rings for school, but I do not leave without medication. And then just the reason why is because I have hypothyroidism and I'm on a particular medication that balances my thyroid. And so, yeah, I gotta kind of have that. So the other thing that I tracked was my Weight Watchers, and I did well this week. I tracked it Monday through Friday, which was good, better than the previous week when I only did like 3 days. It was like my fresh start week. I started again like close to the end of January, just like as a fresh start. So yeah, Dave just called and I don't remember where I left off on my recording, so sorry. Weight Watchers, that's what I was talking about. So I did really well with Weight Watchers. There were only 2 days that I didn't end up tracking it, which was Saturday and Sunday. And that's because on Sunday, I pretty much just used that as an R&R time because I was exhausted because I got a little too crazy on Saturday. Plus on Saturday, I didn't want to track it because honestly, I do not remember 90% of the things I ate or consumed, both drink and food wise, at my dad's party. So needless to say, it was a little crazy. But the nice thing is that there was an open bar and he had like this delicious restaurant cater. So, you know, everything is good. I don't know if you guys drink or if you've ever drank before, but it's kind of the situation of like, oh my gosh, I need food. So, I did also put down, quarter boxes on each day except for on Saturday or Sunday. For my meals. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I do it for dinner. Friday, I do it for lunch. Friday, I did put a half box down because I went on a date with Dave and Layla. We went to Cheesecake Factory, and then I put a half box down for my dad's birthday. So, which worked out fine because I ran out of quarter boxes. So it makes sense. Then I also put those teardrops down Monday through Thursday because of school. We didn't have a school day on Friday. It was a professional development day. It was the end of the quarter, so we do a new student or a no student day, which is always nice because then it means that like we can have lunch like normal humans. So I did mark that I went to lunch with like my school friends. So and I marked school with like the teardrops from the kit, and then I put glasses down from a printable planner girl from I Love to Print, and the glasses are all the same, but they're all the cute planner girl that has her hair in a bun. I'm sure you guys have seen the artwork done before, but there's like a whole girl that you can purchase that is like planner accessories, which is cute. So I used that. And then I used a little quarter box. It's kind of a quarter box. It's the size of a quarter box, but it's also kind of like a fancy label or like appointment label. It's kind of different in this kit, but I used that and I put down a little glitter girl that it's a silver glitter girl from Planning World. Yeah, Planning World. She's on her computer because I uploaded content that day. I put some stuff on YouTube, and then I also recorded a plan with me, so I used an icon sticker for that, and then I used a print and cut sticker that I got from Paper and Gumption, and then I put down that we had taco soup for dinner. On Tuesday, I put that we had a BLT meeting at 3:15 p.m., and then next to that, I used some of the glitter stack of book and paper from Planning World as well. Then I put down so the half boxes down at the bottom that I got my hair cut in color. I did use an icon sticker for that. It's the comb and scissors, which works out great. And then for dinner, we had Texas Roadhouse, which is always our go-to. Dave and I are really good at going to Texas Roadhouse and spending like $15, like between the two of us, because I love just like their plain house salad. So I'll just get a large plain house salad for like $7. And then he just gets like a steak, like a $10 steak. So, and we get water, and Layla eats the bread. We would order her a meal, but she always ends up eating the bread anyways. So, anyway, then on Wednesday, I marked that I got gas station coffee, which always makes me want to have like a New Jersey accent. Like, there's nothing wrong with gas station coffee. It just makes me laugh. And then I put a washi strip down, writing down that we did the PBIS revamp, meeting at 3 p.m. with an icon. And then we did fajitas with my mom and dad at our house. So, I also put, you can't see it yet, but I put the hump day sticker down, which, you know, I love that they brought that commercial back. Anyway, then on Thursday, I marked with a half box that it's my dad's 50th birthday, and then I FaceTimed with him for a pretty good amount of time, which I loved. And then using a little icon, a pencil icon, I put that I had class from 4:35 to 7:05, and then politics of ed from 7:15 to 9:45, and I have a stack of books and paper from Planning World, and then a little quarter box stating that I stopped for a Big Mac from McDonald's, which was delicious. Then on Friday, I put that I had grades due and I had C-test due, which is something we do for our school or our district. And then we went to Cafe Rio for lunch and some professional development. After that, we learned how to monitor our students' computers. Then I got caught up on grading. We went to Cheesecake Factory for dinner, and then we shopped around the mall a little bit. And then on Saturday, I put that I picked my sister up from the airport at 4:30, and then I decided that I wanted to put that we got glamorous. So I put it actually before, but we ended up doing it after. Like, I did my makeup, I did my hair, and like, you know, looked beautiful. And then my dad's 50th birthday celebration, which was so much fun. Like, I am not even joking. It was hilarious. And like, people from my dad's high school time in his life, they were there. And so like, people that have known me pretty much since I was born, they were there. So it was a lot of fun. Yeah, like I said, to say the least. So then I put that we had a little bit of family drama on Saturday, which I'm not going to go into crazy detail about because, let's be honest, nobody needs to know our family drama. But yeah. And then on Sunday, we went to brunch at my stepmom's house. So I used a little quarter box for that and a meal icon. And then I put a half box saying that I needed to recoup from the party, and I ended up having a 4.5-hour nap with Layla, which was wonderful. Here I'm putting in my date dots, and I actually end up also putting in that there was a payday, which, you know, I forgot, but, you know, I don't forget once it hits my account, which is nice. But overall, this was a fun and hilarious week. Even with the family drama and everything, I just love the glitter, and I love my dad, and I love this kit, and I love what I have left so I can use it for my stash. And thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Peace out.